External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar has had a very plain speak with China. External Affairs Minister met the Chinese President Xi Jinping. India has reiterated China should not set up roadblocks and unnecessary hurdles with regards to trade. Both the nations are on the course of the last 2 days have also reviewed the bilateral ties and the border peace. This report tells you more.
It's been 5 tense years since the Galwan clash. And now External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar stepped onto Chinese soil and met President Xi Jinping, signalling a thaw in ties amid ongoing tensions. However, Jaishankar wasn't there to just exchange pleasantries. He brought the voice of Prime Minister Modi straight to Xi's doorstep, signalling India's readiness for a reset of bilateral ties. Before meeting Xi, Jaishankar had met Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi, pushing hard on de-escalation at the volatile line of actual control. The message: peace is non-negotiable and so is respect. But the real fire was under the surface. India laid bare China's chokehold on rare earth exports, the crucial lifeline for India's booming EV revolution, and how stalled tunnel boring machines and blocked high-tech exports are threatening to stall India's futuristic bullet train dreams. Jaishankar's message was clear and sharp: break down these trade barriers, lift the roadblocks, and let cooperation bloom for the sake of billions on both sides.
As neighboring nations and major economies in the world today, there are various facets and dimensions of our ties. Measures towards normalizing our people-to-people exchanges can certainly foster mutually beneficial cooperation. It is also essential in this context that restrictive trade measures and roadblocks are avoided. I hope to discuss these issues with you in further detail.
India's tough talk underlines the fact that it will no longer accept the dragon's attempts to cow down its neighbors. A stance recently exemplified by its public support to the Dalai Lama's succession announcement, as well as Arunachal Chief Minister's bold statement that India shares its borders with Tibet and not China. As Prime Minister Modi's visit to China looms this September,